Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ather Grid charging. First, download the Ather mobile application to your smartphone. This app is your key to finding available charging stations and managing your charging sessions. We'll cover how to locate the nearest grid points, connect your scooter, and ensure a smooth charging experience. It's designed to be straightforward, getting you back on the road quickly and efficiently. Once you have the Ather app open, tap on the Grid section to see all available charging points near you. The map will show their status, indicating if they are free or in use. Select a convenient station and use the navigation feature to guide you there. Upon arrival, simply park your scooter and firmly plug the charging cable into the charging port. Ensure a secure connection for optimal charging. After connecting the cable, open your Ather app and use the built-in scanner to read the QR code displayed on the Grid charging unit. The app will then prompt you to confirm the charging session. Once confirmed, charging will begin automatically. You can track your scooter's battery percentage and estimated charging time directly from your phone, giving you full control and peace of mind. For the best experience, always double-check that the charging cable is fully and securely inserted into your scooter's port before starting. If you face any difficulties, like a station not responding or an error message, don't hesitate to contact Ather customer support through the app. They are ready to assist you. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.